is for apple. A and apple. A is for apple. And A is for ant. B is for ball. B ball. B is for ball. B is for bear. B bear. B is for bear. C is for cat. C cat. C is for cat. C is for car. C car. C is for car. D is for dog. D dog. D is for dog. D is for duck. D duck. D is for duck. E is for elephant. E elephant. E is for elephant. E is for egg and E egg. E is for egg. F is for fish. F fish. F is for fish. F is for frog. F frog. F is for frog. G is for goat. G goat. G is for goat. G is for grapes. G grapes. G is for grapes. H is for hat. H hat. H is for hat. H is for horse. H horse. H is for horse. I is for igloo. I igloo. I is for igloo. I is for insect. I insect. I is for insect. J is for jam. J jam. J is for jam. J is for jellyfish. J jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. K is for kite. K kite. K is for kite. K is for kangaroo. K kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. L is for lion. L is for leaf. L leaf. L is for leaf. N is for mouse. N nest. N is for nest. N is for nut. N nut. N is for nut. O is for octopus. O octopus. O is for octopus. O is for owl. O owl. O is for owl. P is for pig. P is for pig. P is for parrot. P parrot. P is for parrot. Q is for quail. Q quail. Q is for quail. Q is for queen. Q queen. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. R rabbit. R is for rabbit. R is for rainbow. R rainbow. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. Sun. S is for sun. S is for snake. Snake. S is for snake. T is for tiger. Tiger. T is for tiger. T is for tree. Tree. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. U umbrella. U is for umbrella. U is for unicorn. U unicorn. U is for unicorn. V is for violin. V violin. V is for violin. V is for vase. Vase. V is for vase. W is for whale. Whale. W is for whale. W is for watch. Watch. W is for watch. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. Y is for
A is for alligator. A alligator. A alligator. A alligator. B is for bear. B bear. B bear. B bear. C is for cat. T cat. T cat. Cat. D is for dog. D dog. D dog. D dog. E is for elephant. E elephant. E elephant. Elephant. F is for frog. F frog. F frog. F frog. Frog. G is for goat. G goat. 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 H is for horse. H horse. H horse. A horse. I is for iguana. I iguana. I iguana. I iguana. J is for jellyfish. J jellyfish. J jellyfish. J jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. K kangaroo. K kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lion. A lion. A lion. Lion. M is for monkey. 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 N is for newt. 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 O is for owl. Owl. P penguin, P penguin, P penguin. Q is for quail, Q quail, Q quail, Q quail. R is for rabbit, R rabbit, R rabbit, R rabbit. S is for snake, S snake, S snake, S snake. T is for tiger, T tiger, T tiger, T tiger. U is for umbrella bird, U umbrella bird, U umbrella bird, U umbrella bird. V is for vulture, V vulture, V vulture, V vulture. W is for whale, W whale, W whale, whale. X is for X-ray fish, X-ray fish, X-ray fish, X-ray fish. Y is for yak, Y yak, Y yak, yak. Z is for zebra, Z zebra, Z zebra, Z zebra.
A is apple, A apple. A is for apple. B is banana, B banana, B is for banana. B, C is cherry, C cherry, C is for cherry. D is date, D is for date. E is elderberry, E elderberry, E is for elderberry. F is fig, F fig, F is for fig. G is grape, G grape, G is for grape. H is honeydew, H honeydew, H is for honeydew. I is kiwi, I kiwi, I is for kiwi. J is jackfruit, J jackfruit, J is for jackfruit. Wheat. K is kumquat, K kumquat, K is for kumquat. What? L is lemon, L lemon, L is for lemon. M is mango, M mango, M is for mango. No. N is nectarine, nectarine, N is for nectarine. O is orange, orange, O is for orange. P is pineapple, P pineapple, P is for pineapple. Q is quince, Q quince, Q is for quince. R is raspberry, R raspberry, R is for raspberry. S is strawberry, S strawberry, S is for strawberry. T is tangerine, T tangerine, T is for tangerine. U is ugly fruit, U ugly fruit, U is for ugly fruit. V is Valencia, orange, V Valencia, orange, V is for Valencia, orange. W is watermelon, W watermelon, W is for watermelon. X is Samania, X is Samania, X is for Simia. Yeah. Y is yellow passion fruit, Y yellow passion fruit, Y is for yellow passion fruit. Z is zucchini, technically a fruit, Z zucchini, Z is for zucchini.